Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. Today we're going to be doing a video demonstration of order number 814119. We're going to be shipping this computer shortly, but before we do, we're going to be showing you the internals of your computer and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a quick stress test to show the computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Take a look at the outside of your computer. For your case, you selected the Cooler Master Storm Stryker. Now we're going to boot the computer up, and then we're going to take a better look inside to show you the parts that you ordered. This is Windows 7 Professional booting up on a Samsung 840 Pro Series 256GB SSD. Now that your computer is booted up, let's take a look inside. Taking a look inside your computer, first thing you'll notice is your Asetek 570LX liquid cooling unit. And that is cooling an Intel Core i7 4820K processor. Beside that, you have 16GB of 1600MHz Corsair Vengeance RAM. And for your graphics card, you selected the Nvidia Geforce GTX 780s in an SLI setup. For your motherboard, you selected the Asus P9X79LE. And for lighting in this system, you selected dual blue-cold cathodes. And you also selected 3 red Cooler Master SyncFlow fans, which have been installed on the back and top of your PC. Powering your system is a Corsair TX850M modular power supply. And for sound, you selected an Asus Zonar DX7.1 sound card. For storage in this system, you selected a Samsung 840 Pro Series 256GB SSD, along with a secondary 2TB 7200 RPM hard drive. At the top of the computer, you have your power button, your LED switch for the fans in the front of your computer. These turn the LEDs off and on. Your fan controller, these speed up and slow down the fans, your headphone and mic jack, 2 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and your reset button. Below that, we also have your DVD writer. Taking a look at the back of your computer, starting from the top, you have 2 PS2 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, optical out, 2 eSATA, 6 USB 2.0 ports, 2 USB 3.0 ports, Ethernet, and your various audio jacks. And below that, we have the ports for your graphics cards. We have 4 DVI, 2 HDMI, and 2 display, the ports for your sound card, and the switch for your cold cathodes. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't physically see. In File Explorer, you'll see your 2 hard drives, your 256GB Samsung 840 Pro Series SSD, along with your 2TB secondary hard drive. In System Properties, you'll see Windows 7 Professional as your operating system, your Intel Core i7 4820K processor, 16GB of RAM, and in Device Manager, you'll see your Nvidia Geforce GTX 780 graphics cards, and your Asus Zonar DX7.1 sound card. Now we're going to begin the stress test. This test is called Unigine Valley. It's designed to heavily stress the graphics card as well as the processor. We typically let this test run for up to 8 hours, but for this video we're going to be letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes just to show that your computer is fully operational. As you can see, the computer is fully operational and all the components in your computer are working properly. Now we're going to be shutting down the system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com.